Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Wurkkos. Now this here is their TS23. Now I was sent this flashlight kit by Wurkkos directly. They wanted me to test and review. This light comes in this box. So the version I have here has the XHP70 DHI 6500 Kelvin rating, black body. Alright, so now let's start off with the specs. Now, as you can see here, highest output on turbo 5000 lumens. A lot of lumens coming out of this little light. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's get this open, see what's in. And of course we get a user manual, front and back, multi-languages, and we get one lanyard and two O-rings. One USB Type-C charging cable. Nice quality on that too. Let's go ahead and get the light out here. There it is. Yeah. It's a nice size there. You can table stand that if you need. Gray bezel on here. Does have some areas here that impact to break glass if you need to shatter it. So that's very nice. Let's go ahead and start off here with the deep smooth reflector. That's a textured reflector, also known as orange peel. So down in there you can see that's the XHP70 DHI LED. No dome on that. Two-way clip. That's nice to be able to have that, depending on how you want to pocket carry it or just on your side. A lot of heat sinking here on the head. Pretty deep. Now here's the charging port there. Lanyard hole here. Style design on this is nice. Yeah, it's compact enough. Easily carry this. Some people it might be a little too big, but maybe tactical or even everyday carry if you want. It's got some grooves here on the body, help with gripping it, especially when you're wearing gloves. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. It's got a semi-gloss finish to that. It's not going to roll with the clip on there. If you do take it off, it's going to roll away from you. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take this apart and I'll show you the insides. So you do have the protection piece here. I saved these. I've got a whole bunch of them and I store lights quite a bit, so it comes in handy to reuse them over and over. You see there, heavy duty spring on the head, so you can use button top or flat top cells in this light. Any 21700 cell will do. And the battery here that it comes with is a Wurkkos 5000 milliamp. This is a 15 amp cell, 21700 cell, unprotected. Now there is a tail spring down there, as you can see. Can't take this cap off. So now let's go ahead and get this back together and go through the UI. Simple activation, turns it on, turns it off, turns it on. Press down and hold will go through the light outputs, or you can do them individually. So let's take a look here at the beam. Nice combination beam on that. A lot of bleeding around the edge of that hot spot. And then you've got a spill area. It does have a little bit of a cutoff there. Not super sharp though. Now if you do want to get turbo, double click, we'll get you. Oh, man. That is bright. Wow. Double click again, we'll go back to the last light output. So we're going to go right there. Again, double click. Now if you do want to get the special mode, 1, 2, 3, we'll get you strobe. And that is a variable speed on the flash. Very distracting. And you can click it one time. It'll go back to the last light output that we had it on. If we go here, turn it off, turn it back on, it does have memory mode. Just a super simple light to operate. A lot of power, and that LED is impressive. Now the head of the light's gotten a little warm. Not bad though. Switch is responsive. From off, press down and hold will get you the lowest light output this can do. Then from there it'll go up. Yeah. Nice. That's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward and easy to operate this. Definitely feels a little more tactical because of the aggressive bezel on here. Nice looking light, rugged, feels well constructed. And Wurkkos makes some very nice budget flashlights, and This one is definitely keeping in line with that. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this TS23 outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Wurkkos TS23. Let's go ahead and get started on the lowest light output here. Got good battery power on that battery level. Now that will start to blink red when it gets critically low. I'll give you an idea how this beam looks. Got some good range on this. Let's go up to the next level here. And it is faintly making 138 feet to that tree. Well, it's about 38 feet and 65 feet to this tree. It's all wet, so you can't really see it too well. There it is on the fence. Give you an idea on that hot spot. Let's go to the next level, see how it does. Spill area is coming alive. See that tree even better now. Now it is faintly making it across the park to those playgrounds. See there, now it's making the tree of life even better. Now if you have any questions or doubts of how far anything is in my distances, there's a link below my video. Check it out. You'll see my testing area from the sky. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. So it's making 238 feet there, now behind the tree of life. Nice combination beam on this. Almost faintly making those palm trees. First one, that is. Pan around here. Making that park even better now. Second one over there. Tree line, fence line. Let's go to the next level here. I can see the park even better now. Love these combination beams. See the second one over there. Tree line, fence line. Gotta do a little beam profile here on this level. Making those trees way out there now even better. Nice. Especially for this size of light. There we go. I can faintly see that first palm tree even better. So we're gonna do turbo now. See how it does. Nice. It has come alive. Look at that. Making the palm trees. Impressive. Schools lit up. Famous tree of life. Tree behind it. 238 feet. Look at those trees way out there. Making it to those playgrounds even better. Everything at that park is lit up with this beam. Tree line, fence line. we'll go ahead and end it over here on my famous spot, my favorite, Tree of Life. Great beam performance. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Impressive beam performance on this. Now, I've never tested one with this LED in it, so it does very well. It's got some nice range on there. Large hotspot, so it's to be expected. Now, if you're needing a light that has a combination beam, you're wanting something that's going to have a nice spill area, large that is, and a decent hotspot, this is something that you might be interested in getting. This here did get pretty toasty out there, but not unbearable. I could still hold the flashlight with no issues, and it did well. Simple UI, USB Type-C charging, and the 21700 cell. Nice thing about this, you wear this one down, easily swap one out, and continue on with your adventure. If you're like me, I carry a lot of extra batteries with me, usually in a little carrying case, and that way I always have batteries when I need them, because you just never know. Something could happen in the battery for some crazy reason. You've never had any issue with batteries or whatever, and you're using that faithful one that you've used all the time, then all of a sudden out of nowhere it's no good. So you definitely want to carry extra, especially if you want to extend your runtime. But this battery that's included will give you plenty of good runtime on the lower light outputs. So impressive build quality on this, not seeing any issues. Most of all, budget friendly. This company has been around for a few years, and they have yet to fail to impress me. So I want to thank Wurkkos for sending me this TS23 to review. Now, this is a brand new model of theirs. Remember, it's a complete kit. I will leave a link down below this video in the description box below, including a special discount code. Once I get that, it'll be there as well, and that should help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, you could please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these new lights from Wurkkos to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.